We all know that getting older brings its challenges, aches, pains, and changes in energy levels. But here's a shocking truth many don't realize. Muscle loss, also called sarcopenia, is one of the most dangerous health issues quietly affecting seniors, and it begins much earlier than you might think, around the age of 60. Here's where things get tricky. Muscle loss isn't always obvious. You may think you're doing okay, eating healthy, staying active, and yet, up to 1/3 of your muscle mass could be disappearing without you even realizing it. It's not about pain or obvious symptoms, it's silent, and the effects can be severe. Loss of muscle strength means more falls, fractures, and ultimately a loss of independence. But don't panic, there's a way to reverse it. And the best part? You don't need to take expensive supplements or hire a personal trainer. In fact, Harvard research shows that specific foods can help seniors rebuild lost muscle, even well into their 70s or 80. One of these superfoods is something you probably already have in your kitchen. Before we dive into the details of these muscle-saving foods, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more valuable, science-backed tips for staying strong and independent as you age. Your support helps us continue to create content that makes a difference. Now, let's uncover the one daily food that can help you fight muscle loss and stay stronger longer. Mistake 1, not providing enough protein from food. You might be doing everything right, eating healthy, staying active, but still feeling weak or lacking energy. It's easy to overlook one key aspect: protein. Many seniors unknowingly fail to get enough protein, even though they may be eating nutritious meals. The truth is, without sufficient protein, your muscles can't repair or maintain themselves, and this leads to muscle loss over time. Let me tell you about my friend, Jim. He was eating lots of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, thinking he was doing everything right. But he started noticing that simple tasks like getting up from a chair were getting harder. His muscles felt weaker, and he wasn't recovering as quickly after physical activity. It wasn't until he spoke with his doctor that he realized his protein intake was too low. By adding beans, lentils, and seeds to his meals, he started noticing a big difference. Jim gained more strength, and he could do things he hadn't been able to do in months. So how do you make sure you're getting enough protein? Plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and seeds are packed with essential amino acids, which are crucial for muscle growth and repair. These foods are also rich in magnesium and iron, both vital for muscle strength, and they're affordable and easy to prepare. Adding them to your meals can be as simple as tossing them into soups, salads, or making a spread. Dr. Susan Miller, a nutritionist for seniors, explains, protein is essential for maintaining muscle strength. Many seniors don't realize that they need more protein to maintain their muscles, even if they eat healthy foods. She recommends incorporating plant-based proteins to help rebuild lost muscle and prevent further loss. Have you ever noticed feeling tired or weak even though you're eating healthy? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're making sure you're getting enough protein in your diet. Mistake 2, not using eggs the right way. As we continue our journey toward muscle preservation, let's take a closer look at another common mistake many seniors make: avoiding eggs because of cholesterol concerns. For years, eggs have been misunderstood. Many people think the yolk is harmful, leading them to avoid it in favor of just the egg whites. But here's the truth. This is a misconception that has persisted for too long. I can personally relate to this. For a long time, I avoided eating eggs with the yolk. I had heard so much about cholesterol and how it could affect heart health that I thought avoiding egg yolks was the best thing I could do. Instead, I only ate the egg whites, believing that was the healthier choice. But after talking to a nutritionist and doing some of my own research, I learned how much I was missing by not eating the whole egg. The yolk contains an important amino acid called leucine, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. When I started eating whole eggs again, I noticed a significant difference in how I felt. My muscles felt stronger and I wasn't as fatigued throughout the day. It was a small change, but the effects were noticeable. So what's the solution? Start eating the whole egg, not just the egg whites. The yolk contains leucine, an amino acid that plays a vital role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, which helps build and preserve muscle mass. This is particularly important as we age, as our bodies become less efficient at maintaining muscle tissue. You might be thinking, but what about the cholesterol? Here's the key. Modern research has shown that moderate egg consumption does not increase the risk of heart disease for most people, and in fact, eggs can actually improve cholesterol levels. In fact, many studies have found that eating whole eggs helps support muscle health, bones, and nerves. The nutrients in the yolk, like vitamin D, B12, and choline, are all critical for overall strength and vitality. Dr. Emily Harrison, a nutritionist specializing in senior health, says, "Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. The yolk contains essential vitamins and amino acids that are critical for seniors looking to maintain muscle mass. By avoiding the yolk, you're missing out on the nutrients that help you stay strong and healthy." Dr. Harrison further explains that the protein found in eggs, especially the yolk, is of high biological value, meaning it's efficiently used by the body to build and repair muscle. For seniors, this makes eggs one of the most powerful tools in preventing muscle loss or sarcopenia. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you been avoiding the yolk due to concerns about cholesterol? If so, how has it impacted your energy and strength levels? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your story could help others who are making the same mistake and might inspire them to bring eggs back into their diet. Mistake 3. Overlooking foods like Greek yogurt as we move forward in our journey to preserve muscle health. Another common mistake I want to address is overlooking Greek yogurt. It's often seen as just another snack, but it's actually one of the most powerful foods for maintaining muscle mass, improving digestion, and keeping your body strong as you age. Despite its benefits, many seniors are unaware of how much Greek yogurt can truly help. Let me share a personal story. For years, I ate yogurt, but I didn't realize just how much Greek yogurt could support my muscle health. I would have regular yogurt, but it never gave me that extra boost I needed. One day, after speaking with a nutritionist and doing some research, I decided to switch to plain Greek yogurt, no added sugars or flavorings. And within a few weeks, I felt a noticeable difference. My energy levels went up, my digestion improved, and most importantly, my muscles felt stronger. Greek yogurt provides the protein necessary for muscle repair, but the real secret is in its probiotics, which help your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Since then, Greek yogurt has become a staple in my daily routine. The key to making Greek yogurt a muscle-preserving powerhouse is to choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. The sugary, flavored versions may be tasty, but they won't deliver the muscle-building benefits you need. Plain Greek yogurt is packed with up to 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, making it one of the best sources of protein you can find. It also contains probiotics, which are vital for gut health. And we know that a healthy gut is essential for proper nutrient absorption, whether it's calcium, magnesium, or protein, all of which are critical for maintaining muscle mass as we age. Here's the best part. Greek yogurt is so versatile. You can enjoy it as a snack, use it as a base for smoothies, add it to oatmeal, or even incorporate it into savory dishes. It's an easy way to add protein to your meals while helping your digestion work better and more efficiently. Dr. Sarah Collins, a well-known nutritionist specializing in senior health, shares this insight. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse for seniors. Not only is it rich in protein, but it also contains probiotics that support digestive health. By improving digestion and nutrient absorption, Greek yogurt helps seniors maintain muscle mass, and that's especially important as we age. Dr. Collins also notes that adding a probiotic-rich food like Greek yogurt can help seniors maximize the benefits of every bite of protein they consume, making it an essential addition to your diet. How many of you already include Greek yogurt in your diet? Or have you been avoiding it because you didn't know about its muscle-preserving benefits? Let me know in the comments. Share your experiences with Greek yogurt, and if you haven't tried it, maybe now's the time to give it a go. Mistake 4. Pairing eggs with high-sugar foods. As we've already discussed, the foods you choose to pair with your eggs can make a big difference in how well your body absorbs nutrients and maintains muscle mass. Now, let's dive into another common mistake: pairing eggs with high-sugar foods like pancakes, waffles, or sugary pastries. While it might seem like a satisfying breakfast combination, eggs with a side of something sweet, it's actually a combination that could be sabotaging your health. I'm sure many of us, myself included, have had that satisfying breakfast of eggs with pancakes or a sweet muffin. It tastes great in the moment, but what I didn't realize for a long time was that the sugar in these foods causes a spike in blood sugar, which is then followed by a crash. And that crash leaves you feeling tired and drained, making it harder to stay active and energized throughout the day. I used to eat eggs with a stack of pancakes, thinking it was a well-rounded meal. But after an hour, I'd feel sluggish and would sometimes need a nap. I didn't realize that this dip in my energy was due to the rapid rise and fall of my blood sugar. After making a simple change and swapping out sugary foods for whole grains or vegetables with my eggs, I felt more balanced, more energetic, and I noticed I had better muscle strength throughout the day. So what's the solution here? Instead of pairing eggs with sugary foods, try adding whole grains like oatmeal, whole wheat toast, or even roasted vegetables like spinach or bell peppers. These options provide a steady release of energy throughout the day and support your muscles without causing that blood sugar spike and crash. These foods have complex carbohydrates, which release energy slowly, helping to keep you energized without the risk of a crash later on. If you're craving something sweet, you can still satisfy that need, just make healthier choices. Try pairing your eggs with fruits like berries or tomatoes, or add avocado to your eggs for some healthy fats. These alternatives provide energy without the negative side effects of refined sugar. Not only will you feel better, but your muscles will also get the support they need to stay strong and healthy. Dr. Thomas Williams, a nutritionist specializing in senior health, explains, pairing eggs with sugary foods can cause a rapid blood sugar spike, followed by a crash. This can leave seniors feeling tired, weak, and low in energy. Instead, it's essential to balance your meals with healthy carbohydrates and proteins to maintain steady energy levels and prevent muscle loss. Dr. Williams further notes that low glycemic foods, such as whole grains and vegetables, are a better pairing with eggs, helping to keep blood sugar levels stable and supporting overall health. Have you ever felt tired or sluggish after eating eggs with something sweet like pancakes or a muffin? I know I did before I made the switch. What changes have you made to your breakfast routine to keep your energy up and your muscles strong? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your experiences in the comments below. Your story might just help someone else make a positive change to their diet too. Mistake 5. Not adding enough healthy fats. We've already covered the importance of protein and the best ways to pair foods for optimal muscle health. Now, let's talk about another common mistake many seniors make: not adding enough healthy fats to their diet. I know it sounds counterintuitive. Fat tends to get a bad rap, especially when we're trying to stay fit or manage weight. But here's the truth. Healthy fats are essential for maintaining muscle mass, supporting heart health, and keeping inflammation in check as we age. I can admit, I was once someone who avoided fat in my meals because I feared it would lead to weight gain. But over time, I began noticing that my energy levels were low and I wasn't recovering from physical activity as quickly. After consulting with my doctor and doing some research, I learned how vital healthy fats are for muscle health and overall vitality. I started including avocados, chia seeds, and flax seeds in my diet, and the results were impressive. My energy increased, and my muscles felt more stable and strong throughout the day. Healthy fats help the body absorb important nutrients like vitamin D, which is essential for muscle repair and bone strength. Plus, healthy fats help reduce inflammation, a common issue for many seniors dealing with joint pain or muscle soreness. After adding these fats to my diet, I felt like I had more stamina, and it was easier to stay active. So how do you incorporate these healthy fats into your daily meals? Start with avocados, chia seeds, and flax seeds. These foods are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support muscle recovery, reduce inflammation, and promote heart health. Omega-3s play a critical role in maintaining muscle mass, especially as we age and our body's ability to repair muscle slows down. In my own experience, I began adding avocado to my toast or salads and flax seeds to my yogurt or oatmeal. These small changes made a significant difference in how I felt. I didn't have to give up fats altogether, but I made sure to include the right kinds of fats, those that actually support my muscle health and digestion. Dr. Linda Williams, a nutritionist specializing in senior health, shares her expert opinion. Healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and seeds are essential for seniors. They support heart health and help preserve muscle mass by reducing inflammation. These fats also improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, which is crucial for muscle and bone health. Dr. Williams emphasizes the importance of balance. It's not about cutting out fats, but about choosing the right kinds to maintain muscle strength and overall health. How many of you have been avoiding healthy fats due to concerns about weight gain or other health reasons? If you've recently started adding more avocado, chia seeds, or flax seeds to your meals, what changes have you noticed in your energy or muscle strength? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Your experiences might inspire others to try these healthy fats for themselves. Muscle loss is a serious issue for seniors, but the good news is it's preventable with the right approach to nutrition. By avoiding common dietary mistakes and incorporating muscle-supporting foods rich in protein, vitamins, and healthy fats, older adults can maintain their muscle strength for years to come. It's all about making small, intentional changes that add up to big results over time. To keep your muscles strong and preserve your independence as you age, focus on a well-balanced diet. Prioritize high-quality protein sources and avoid harmful foods like sugar and processed foods that can slow you down and contribute to muscle loss. Staying consistent with the right foods is key to feeling strong, energetic, and vibrant. Have you ever made any of these mistakes in your diet? Share your story in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're managing muscle health. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos that support your health and well-being as you age. Your support means the world to us, and we're here to keep bringing you the best tips to help you live your healthiest life.